Okay. Today we're going to be reading about the octopus. Before we start, I want to know what you already know about the octopus. Can you tell me anything that you already know?
An octopus has 8 legs.
It has 8 legs. That is correct. Do you know where they are found?
In the ocean.
In the ocean. Okay, so before we read this, I want you to look through to see if there's any words that you don't recognize.
Predator.
Okay, so the word predator means to pursue after something, to go after it in a way to consume it. So for an example, a lion would be the predator and an antelope would be the prey. So the lion will want to eat the antelope. It'll go after it. So let me go ahead and get you to read this passage silently, and then we're going to talk about it.
Okay.
Okay, now that you've read it silently, I want you to write down a few words out of this passage that will help you remember what the author is trying to say. Here you go. Just write it right here. A few words that will help you remember what the author is wanting to tell you. What do you think he wants you to remember about the octopus?
What is that? Dance. Oh, is it dancing? Well, next time say, I'm the dance guy. Yellow. Who?
Alright, now that you have written some words, I want you to read this passage out loud, and I'm going to set my timer for 1 minute, and we're going to see how far you can get in 1 minute. And when I tell you to go, I want you to go, and don't be in a rush or anything. Just read as much as you can.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Some people think of the octopus as a giant creature. They have seen this in science fiction movies. They think the octopus is a mean creature who attacks people and other animals. The octopus is a really shy animal. It is usually quite small. The octopus has 8 arms. Its name tells us this because octo means 8. The octopus uses its arms to walk on the ocean floor. Its arms are also used to capture crabs. Crabs are its favorite food. The octopus bites into the crab with its strong beak. This sends poison into the crab's body. The octopus protects itself in 3 ways. First, when frightened, the octopus can push water from its...
Stop. I want you to circle the last word that you read. What's the last word you read?
Water.
Okay. So, it looks as though you read, let's see how many words you read. So it looks as though you read about 72 words. And based upon your goal, you should be able to read, well, you read a little bit more than 70 words. I'm going to calculate how many more words you need to be reading each week until you can reach your goal. Okay, so it looks like you read 140 words, and your goal is to be able to read 166 words because you're in the 4th grade. And we want to do that by the winter. So it looks as though we need to increase We need to read 26 more words to get to that goal. So we have about 7 weeks left. I want you to be able to read at least 3 more words for the next 7 weeks, and then you'll be at your goal. So that's going to be your goal, to read at least 3 more words. Now the next thing what we're going to do is I want to teach you how to read this text, and I want you to pattern me and read it the same way that I do. Say it exactly how I read it. Some people think of the octopus as a giant creature.
Some people think of the octopus as a giant creature.
They have seen this in science fiction movies.
They have seen this in science fiction movies.
They think of the octopus. They think the octopus is a mean creature.
They think the octopus is a mean creature.
The octopus is really a shy animal.
The octopus is really a shy animal.
Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you pause?